Hello everyone, nice to see you once again. Today I am going to teach you the preposition of time. What does this mean? The preposition of time. You can see the example in the screen at, on, in as the preposition of time. See example in the column. They finish school at 4 o'clock. The children usually have a story at bedtime. You see at a point in time, at 1 o'clock, 5:30, or at midnight, at lunchtime, at dinner time, at the end of the lesson. I saw her on Monday. My birthday is on 4th September. On a day or on a date. On Tuesday, on Thursday, on 1st April, on 4th June, on the first day of spring. I usually work in the mornings. The weather is very nice here in the summer. In a period of times, in the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in evening, in April, in June, in the summer, in winter. In 1992, note on Wednesday in the afternoon, on Wednesday afternoon, in the morning, in afternoon, in the evening, but at night. On Christmas Eve, on Independence Day, on Easter Sunday, but at Christmas at New York. So this is what we are learning about at, on, in as preposition of time. So I hope that you will be understand what I am teaching you today, and thank you for joining with me to study the English grammar, and I hope that you will learn more about my video and help to support your ability in considering in English sport. Don't forget to hit the button subscribe below. Thank you.